Crocheting cap shawl, woman fashion idea and woman style looks different, and fashion is a style and beautiful ideas like different styles, pattern selection. Find a crochet pattern for the style of cap shawl and shawl designs. Choose and look for pattern that include instructions for sizing. Free and paid pattern available online as well as in crochet books and magazine. Follow the pattern instruction for to crochet the cap shawl. Start with the back panel, then work the front panel, and any additional shaping or edging required. And feel free to customize your cap shawl by experimenting with the different stitch patterns, yarn weights, and color. You can add embellishment like fringe, tassel, and beads for a unique touch. Once your cap shawl is complete, block it the shape and smooth out the stitches. Blocking helps to give the shawl a professional finish and ensure it drapes nicely when worn. And later styles. So I hope you like it, my video and my channel. Crocheting cap shawl is a rewarding and enjoyable idea that allows you to express your creativity and include your creativity styles. Have fun experimenting with different patterns, yarns, and colors. So I hope you like it. Take care. Bye bye.